On Saturday, October 29th, the Will County Health Department and Community Health Center hosted its first WellWoman Day Health Fair at the Spanish Community Center in Joliet. The fair was born out of a grant issued by the Illinois Department of Public Health in 2019.
So the Increasing Well Woman Visits grant began in 2019. I was hired for the implementation phase by the Will County Health Department, and the goal is to increase well woman visits across the county, especially in pocket zip code areas. Certain zip codes they're down. Most especially the Hispanic women in the county. Those are a little lower than the rest of the county. So the purpose of that is just to get these visits up.
When planning for the fair began, the Spanish Community Center in Joliet quickly signed on to serve as the host location for the event.
When I was approached by the Will County Health Department to partner with them for this event, I automatically said yes, because all of our programs encounter clients that unfortunately are going through various health issues, and whether it's because they're underinsured or they don't have insurance, it's definitely an issue that has come up repeatedly in our community. So we definitely wanted to make sure that we provided all the information and that we gathered all the different agencies in the area to also share their resources and services, and speak mostly about the preventative aspect, because unfortunately, particularly in the Latinx community, that's not something that is prioritized. So drawing attention to that and letting them know that it's important and that there are support systems in place to help them with that was at the top of our list. So we're very grateful to be able to partner with them, and we look forward to future events where we can continue to reiterate this in our community.
In addition to the Will County Health Department and Community Health Center, over a dozen local and government agencies partnered up to help educate attendees on services offered in the community. Included in the participants were nursing students from Lewis University offering blood pressure screenings and educational information on breast cancer and nutrition.
The goal of today's health fair is we've brought out a bunch of different community organizations to give out resources and information on women's health, on prevention. We have local agencies, we have some government agencies, so we have people from all over the community that are here today to give out resources and bring resources into the community, and so people in this community can see all of the organizations and things that are available to them.
There were giveaways and raffle prizes at the fair, along with many takeaways from the partner organizations and the health department. The fair featured a pair of speakers as well. Dr. Veronica Arouse spoke about the importance of well woman visits.
So the WellWoman Exam is multiple components. So in OBGYN, not only does that include like regular health, like high blood pressure and cholesterol, bone density, it's also screening for cancer, the most common cancers, which are completely preventable in women, such as breast cancer, cervical cancer, colon cancer, and lung cancer. So there are multiple parts of this that it's important for all women not to forget, because especially Hispanic women, we tend to put our families first before ourselves. So that often gets lost because they're so busy taking care of everyone else, they forget to take care of themselves.
Licensed clinical social worker Erin Hanrahan from the Edward Hines Jr. VA Hospital offered a presentation and Q&A on intimate partner violence and prevention.
October is Domestic Violence Awareness Month, so I think it's important to make sure that we're talking about the impacts of domestic violence. It doesn't discriminate, it happens to all races, all sex, all sexual orientation, and I think it's just important to raise awareness, talk about the services that are offered in the VA and also in the community in order to prevent intimate partner violence.
The WellWoman Health Fair planning team would like to thank all those that attended, with a special thank you to all of our community partners.